Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a disassembly of my Smith & Wesson SD40Ve. So the SD9Ve is also the same. I mean, you break it down the same. So I think this breaks down like a Glock. If you can see the takedown lever is very small. So sometimes it's hard to grab it with your fingers or even your nails. So I'm gonna try it one time. You have to move the slide back a bit, push it down, and then release the slide forward. That's good. Okay. You can see the guide rod, recoil spring. The guide rod is polymer or plastic. This is the barrel. So this is the basic disassembly of the Smith & Wesson SD40Ve or SD9Ve. To put it back together, put the barrel in. The guide rod, hold on. Okay, slide back. There you go. SD40Ve, SD9Ve, disassembly and reassembly. Thanks for watching.